Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video let us learn how to apply page border and then page color, then watermark in MS Word. Topic is to see how to apply page border, watermark and page color. You can find the option in design or in page layout. So firstly, page border. Click on page border, select the line format which you required. Usually formally they use single line, so you can go with that, or if you prefer art you can go with art option. Here you can find many designs. If you want to apply it, click on the design, and then click on OK. So now you can see the border is applied. Next, how to apply page color. Just click on page color, select the color which you would like and click on it, so it will be applied. So next, coming to watermark. Why is watermark used? It is used to make the document confidential. So let us see how to apply watermark. So in designs you have watermark, click on watermark. So here you get confidential, don't copy, do not copy, or confidential by default, ASAP also, and urgent, so on. So if you want to create your own watermark, you'll have to go to custom watermark. Once you click on custom watermark, here mark activated. If you are going to use picture for watermark, you can click on picture, or if you use text you can go with text watermark. After clicking on text, here you can see the text what you required can be given. So for example, if you want in caps you can go with caps also. So select the style required, and then click on OK. So as I had given page color, it was not seen. Since I changed the page color, it is now applied. You can see that it is applied. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.